is a video of a ignition box that has been modified to bypass the rev limiter chip by 225 to 245 RPMs. Have it hooked up to a tach. It'll start kicking on about 6250, and it might get to 6400 with a good hard spark. Once in a while it jumps around a little bit, but that's because the distributor machine doesn't like to turn that many RPMs. I've modified the distributor machine to turn more than what it's supposed to. It's a 1958 model distributor machine, so it's kind of hard. After I push the key fob, it'll start the circuit inside the box, and then it'll go 68, almost 7,000 RPMs, and you'll see that. The one thing I won't show on here is how to reset it. It does not use the key fob to reset. This box is from Advantage Race Parts. You can find that site on Facebook. Off, on, off, on, push the key fob, there you go. More pictures will be on Advantage Race Parts.